Ever since the beginning of time, everybody has had the same age-old question of, how do I make money? The answer, shockingly enough, is quite simple. Multiplicity, by definition, means a large variety of something. A large variety of, in this case, multiple streams of income. A large variety of income. So the first and major or most common source of income will, of course, be a job. A job is something that you do on a regular basis, consistently, in return for money. In this case, it could be anything. Your job could be working at McDonald's, which is the best and easiest entry-level job in America to this date. Or it could be something as, I guess, more la-di-da as like an administrative assistant, which is also entry-level position, but comes with certain qualifications that, may require a little bit more effort or education. A job is always the first and main one to get money, no matter what your circumstances are. You should be able to find any type of job. And it doesn't matter if it's a high-level job or a low-level job or entry-level job. A job is always a good building block or a foundation to making money. And there are also, as you can see, 11 other options.